What's this then? A tic-tac? Alexa, what's a tic-tac?
It's pronounced TikTok.
Oh, alright. Well, I'm too old to be on this then, ain't I?
Well, actually, there's more older people using the app than ever before.
Oh, might give it a go then.
Has your engagement been a little bit shit lately? So has everyone's. If you found your engagement has been a bit rubbish on Instagram over the past couple of weeks, it's normal. The sun has been shining, people have been wanting to go outside more, and there's a little thing happening called the Euros, which means, you guessed it, people are in the pub. Instead of worrying about it, why not embrace a few of the features on Instagram that you may not be using? Start exploring with Reels. These are fun little videos that you can create about any type of content on Instagram, and Instagram seems to really be pushing these at the moment. So step outside of your comfort zone and try to make some for your account. Also, why not try utilizing stories in a way that you haven't done before? It could be that you're not comfortable in speaking in front of the camera. Just give it a go. Remember, you can always take it down. Engage with your community. Ask some questions on your stories or run some polls. Go and like some people's photos that you haven't seen in a while, or comment. The more you put out is what you get back. And remember, Instagram is a community. And don't worry, I'm sure once Love Island starts, the memes will roll in and your engagement will be way up again.
TikTok's average age is growing, with more families getting involved than ever before, and that's including their nan. Even the hashtag family has 86 billion views. Of course, the app's demographic is still quite young, but as TikTok remains on the top of the App Store for the 10th month in a row, older people are actually discovering the app and finding their own personal interest on the For You page. One more thing, TikTok have recently become the title sponsor of VidCon, taking over from YouTube, who have held this position for about 8 years. YouTube have now become a secondary sponsor, which means having both involved gives VidCon a chance to spread across more platforms.
Oh, thank you so much, Ronaldo. You're too nice. I'll have a little bit of Coke, actually. Yeah, sorry about that. Thanks, Ronaldo. You may have seen what Ronaldo did last week with the Coca-Cola bottle and a number of different other incidents that's inspired during the Euros. But did you see one of the best pieces of reactive content so far this year? It was from Ikea Canada, who absolutely killed it with this awesome piece. Drink water sustainably. This is absolutely genius reactive marketing from Ikea. It's currently on 14,000 likes and growing. It's been in all of the advertising magazines. It's got some incredible PR. This is how you do social reactively right.